Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to show you how I prepare this pepper toast. Pepper toast is normally prepared during Sundays and we really enjoy this. This is a spicy version of French toast. Here I've listed all the ingredients required for this recipe. I'll be using eggs, milk, pepper powder and bread slices. That's all. Now I'll crack and add the eggs to a plate. You can also use a bowl, but make sure the bowl is nice and wide. Once you have added the eggs to the bowl, we'll add salt, tiny amount of milk, and we'll whisk the eggs. You can also use a mixer jar to blend your eggs to form a consistency. That's it. Now to the eggs I'll be adding tiny amount of salt because my pepper powder already has salt in it. I'll add milk. I'll whisk the eggs. And once I've whisked the eggs, we'll start preparing this recipe. Preheat your skillet ahead of time or your tawa ahead of time with some oil. Make sure to place the tawa on low flame. Don't place it on medium flame or high flame. Place it on low flame. Once you add the eggs to it, it will start to cook immediately. I've already heated the tawa well. For this 3 eggs, I prepared roughly about 6 slices of pepper toast. Now I've heated the tawa well. I've added oil. We can also use ghee. I'll be using ghee later. Once the oil has reached temperature, I'll add tiny amount of pepper powder to the tawa directly. Now I'll dip the bread slice in the egg mixture and place it on the tawa. So this is my mother's technique. She prepares this way and I'm showing you her technique. This has to be prepared like this. If you add the pepper powder to the eggs, then your pepper powder will settle in the bottom of that egg mixture and it will not distribute evenly. So this is the best method to prepare this particular recipe. Now on top of that toast, I've added some more pepper powder. You can add more or less. We like it a little bit extra, so that's the reason we have added extra pepper powder. And I've also added ghee, and we will fry the bread toast. Every 2 minutes I kept flipping it and I fried it till it turned golden brown in color. I'll prepare another one. So I've added a tiny amount of oil and ghee to the tawa. I've sprinkled tiny amount of pepper powder. Then I've dipped the bread in the egg mixture and placed it directly on the tawa. On top of that bread, I'll sprinkle tiny amount of pepper powder again. Flip it and fry it for every minute until the egg mixture has cooked well and the bread turns light golden in color. So do try this recipe, friends. It's very nice and tasty. I'll list all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, do like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. All the links to my blog, social media and all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. That pepper and ghee flavor is excellent in this dish. Do try this recipe and post your comments, friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.